First of the verbs we're going to be looking at over the next couple of weeks. This is one of the irregular verbs, brihra nav realta, and the verb we're looking at is be. So if I look at the I'm sure láthraigh, which is the present tense, I can learn them by saying tá mé, tá tú, tá sé, tá sí, tá míad, tá sibh, tá siad. The I'm sure kata is the past tense. Bhí mé, bhí tú, bhí sé, bhí sí, bhí amur, bhí sibh, bhí siad. And the future tense is called the I'm sure áisteach. Beg mé, beg tú, beg sé, beg sí, be míad, beg sibh, beg siad. Just for your own information, remember that sibh means you, as in a group of people, more than one person. Áisteach. Beg mé, beg tú, beg sé, beg sí, be míad, beg sibh, beg siad. Just for your own information, remember that sibh means you, as in a group of people, more than one person. Something that might help when you're trying to remember the verb be is to remember that all you need to know for the present tense is tá. So it's tá mé, and if you know the mé, tú, sé, sí, sin, sibh, siad, it's the shin one that changes to tá míad, but all the rest are tá with those words after it. In the same in the past tense, once you've learned bhí, the only other one you really need to work on is bhíomar. And in the future tense, once you've learned beg, all you really need to remember is be míad. All of the rest will be beg.